Hi everyone, it's Andrew here, and today I am in Glasgow and I'm going to go to the pizza vending machine. So I'm looking forward to that and I'll take you along with me. So I'm currently on High Street, and I am walking to the pizza vending machine. It's literally next to Aldi on High Street. It's open 24 hours and I'm looking forward to it. It's about £9 for the pizza, and apparently the pizza comes out in 3 minutes, so I can't wait to see that. And once I've got the pizza, I'm going to walk down the road, get the bus and go home. So yeah, I can't wait to see my pizza and get my pizza. I hope it's not a queue. So let's go and get some pizza. Pizza. One. See cart. Pay for order. Right, so I'm now paying for the order. Right, we're getting there slowly. Counting down, and actually this vending machine actually smells really nice. The pizza smells so nice so far, so let's see. 30 seconds to go, not far now. And I think the pizza comes out the bottom here, or the top. I need to be careful. I'm sure it's the bottom, which is fine. 20 seconds to go. So this is actually quite cool. There's your pizza going, well, not my pizza, but it's a video of a pizza going round the pizza machine. So there's the vending machine here on High Street. Right, 4, 3, 2, 1, and then it comes out the bottom, I think. Let's quickly see. Right, still in progress. Right, let's see. Okay, right, my margarita pizza is still in progress. And here we go. 1 box of pizza. Okay, so I now have the pizza. I came out of the machine as you saw, and let's see what it looks like. Ooh, margarita pizza. That looks like the pizza you get at a pizzeria. It sure does. So yeah, that's my pizza, and I'm gonna go home and eat it.